Hi, my name is SuperEye, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of how to make a simple Scratch game. So go up here and click Create. And so now we want, actually let's get a new character. So get delete here and cut him out. Now let's get a sprite from the sprite library. And just to make things simple, let's just grab this bat here. Okay, let's go to that. And so I think he's a little big, so let's just shrink him. Good. And now we want him to move when you press the arrow keys. So let's get out when key pressed, 4 of them, because we want to be able to move in 4 directions. Now, so remember, negative X is to go left, and X is to go right. Negative Y is to go down, and Y is to go up. So, motion, change X by 10 to go right when the right arrow clicked, and change X when the left arrow clicked to go left, which is actually negative 10. To go up, change Y by 10 when the up arrow is pressed, and to go down, change Y by negative 10 when the down arrow is pressed. And so now you can move, see, up. Why can't you move up? Up, down, left, no, left, right. Okay, so good. And so now let's make something for him to get, like collect for points. So first, let's create it. Let's say he's a fruit bat and he wants to get an apple. Let's go to vector, and now let's just make it a nice round circle, or a nice round red circle. So do that so it's filled in. Now if you hold down shift, it will actually make it a circle instead of an oval. So there you go. Now I'll just give it let's just give it like a nice round stem and a nice leaf. Let's fill that in. Why not? Anyway, make it green. Anyway, so then we want, let's go back to scripts and data, make a variable. A variable keeps track of numbers, certain numbers for you. So let's say this is for all sprites, and let's just make it be called points. Okay. And so when the green flag is clicked, the green flag is like what starts a game or whatever you're trying to make. And then when green flag is clicked, set points to 0, so you always start with 0 points. Now, let's go here and forever. So this always happens forever. If touching, and put the if in the jaws of forever. Now in the jaws of the if, no sensing. Say if touching bat 1, this guy. And then in the jaws of the if, touching bat 1 then, we want it to say add a point, of course. So add a point. And then we um and then we wanted to move to a new spot so you can go and collect it again. And so let's do this. Let's make him go to a random spot. So let's pick random, and the lowest y is negative 240, and the highest is just 240. The lowest y is negative 180, and the highest y is just 180. And so, yep. Oh, and we wanted to make that apple smaller, of course. There we go. Now let's make this full screen. Game flag, go. Good. Yep. Yep, it's working. And so it just flies in the direction of the arrow keys and when you get an apple, it adds a point and moves to a new spot. So now let's add a timer. So move that up there so we have more room, and make another variable called, of course, timer. Okay? And this timer and the green flag is clicked. We want it to start. Let's make this a new script actually. I'm going to click time to, let's say 30, so you have 30 seconds. Let's say repeat 30 instead of forever, because if you say forever, it'll keep going down to negatives. Time will keep going down to negatives. Repeat 30. And instead the jaws of the repeat 30 times, but you want it to wait 1 second, so it won't just keep going down. It'll wait a second in between. And then go here and change, and we want it to take away a number, so change timer by -1 or -1. And then when the green flag clicked, let's make this apple. Because it's in script for the apple. So we can say, actually that's Lux, show when the green flag is clicked, and hide when the timer is over. Okay. So now, let's go. Oh look, it's adding on here. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I got 10 points. Nice. Yep, so that's just a fairly simple game. You can, of course, just add more scripts, explore all these blocks to make scripts, and have fun making your own games.